had so much fun today at our Genie Masterclass. It was a meet and greet masterclass, and I think why I love meeting with customers is because TV is immediate because you get immediate feedback, but I don't get to see my customers. And so today it was just amazing. And I think something that I found out is that we're all kind of alike in a sense. A lot of us have aging parents, we work, we may have children that are going into college, going away. So there's a lot of change going on in everyone's life. And I think the most common thing is that nobody has any time for themselves. And I think that is why Genie Beauty really appeals to a lot of women, because it's quick. We try to give them no compromised products, but that happen really quickly, and they get these instant beautiful results and can just feel more confident about everything that they're doing. Every lady has her own story about why she loves TVSN, why she loves Genie, and it's inspiring, and it really makes me want to work harder for those ladies.